Since 2010, I've been designing and managing a public participatory process involving over 6,000 users and stakeholders in the development of the new Rock Center through research, focus groups, and testing of programs of RockLab, the small-scale pilot project for the new Rock Center. Using the data generated by the involvement of the public, the city of Ljubljana was able to continuously review the vision of the Rock Center project. In 2019, these revised plans were resubmitted to stakeholders who reviewed them and modified them before finally improving them. The mission of the Rock Center is to provide makers, organizations, businesses, and general public with a supporting environment for the development of innovative, socially beneficial projects that meet the challenges of the 21st century. An important asset of Rock Center is an extensive network of interdisciplinary partner organizations RockLab has been building through the pilot activities. These partners, such as Slovenian Museum of Architecture and Design, Global Fab Lab Network, or New York-based OpenStyle Lab, range from educational and cultural organizations to businesses and NGOs. The aim of the networking is to connect existing local resources in order to improve their efficiency and provide better public service. In terms of space, the new Rock Center is planned across 4 floors, covering more than 8,000 square meters, catering to the likes of designers, architects, artists, engineers, students, scientists, entrepreneurs, researchers, children, and general public of all ages. More specifically, the ground floor and the first floor are dedicated to production facilities and shared workshops, including manufacturing units with the latest computer-controlled technologies, a green lab, wood lab, a textile lab, and so on. On the second and the third floor, there will be a specialized public library and a multi-purpose exhibition hall, plus individual project rooms for local designers, architects, and other creatives, as well as residential studios for international guests. And last, but by no means least, the yard of the former factory will be converted into a new public park with gardens open to all. Many people are asking what will be on the roof of the Rock Center. Well, it will be green and exclusively reserved to the bees. Before the city of Ljubljana starts the construction works, RockLab is developing pilot programs for Rock Center, meaning that the Rock Center could be fully functional and would have a strong values-driven user community from day one. There is an ambition present for Rock Center to become a benchmark organization for European programs promoting socially beneficial ideas, products, and services. Ljubljana's candidacy for European Capital of Culture is an important opportunity for this ambition to come true.